Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. I've got another Easter egg to share with you. It is from Boots and I've just had a look and it's still available on their website. The cost of the box is £52. It is worth £233 and it contains 14 products. If you're interested in this beauty egg for yourself, then as always you'll find a link to it down below in my comments, and down there you'll see all my other discount codes and offers and any giveaways I've got currently running, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So yeah, so let's get on to showing you what's inside. This is what the box looks like. Look there. Give you a sneak peek first. I love this box design. It's really pretty, isn't it? Starting off with a product I already own, and I've just recently bought this. You'll see it in a haul video coming up in a few days time. This is Bareminerals and it's a blush and bronzer in one. It's called Nude Blonzer and it's in shade Kiss of Rose, which is exactly the colour I've got, and I've put it on today. It is very, very pigmented. You literally just need to tap the brush very lightly. It's a really, really beautiful colour. I've just gone and got mine, so I won't swatch that, as I'll pass that on because there's no point me having two of them. But yeah, this is my one that I've already used. It is a really gorgeous, pretty colour, like a corally pink terracotta type colour. It's quite shimmery as well. I've added extra highlighter, which was my Hourglass Ambient palette, which I just swirl over all the colours and I just got on the tops of my cheeks, so that's why I'm a little bit more glowy there. But no, I really love that. We have got the duo. I love a duo. Don't like it when we receive just a shampoo or conditioner, but this is by FUL, an all-rounder hydrating, nourishing and anti-frizz power ingredients: vegetable collagen, biotin, neuroscience, squalene and hyaluronic acid, and there's 75 mils in both there. So shampoo and conditioner duo. I haven't tried these before. Sound really good though. Collagen and biotin might help me on my hair loss journey. Oh, can I show you? There's just so much to go through. We've got Urban Decay All Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. A cult classic. Love this. We'll continue to purchase it. Thankfully, I get it a lot in different beauty boxes, so I haven't had to go out and buy one for a long, long time, possibly a couple of years. I love these little minis though. Handy to put in my bag as a touch-up if I'm going on holiday or something. 15 mils. Hydrating, long-lasting setting spray. I've got a perfume by Floral Street. This is Wonderland Peony Eau de Parfum 10 mils. I have definitely smelt this before, but I can't tell you what it smells of. Love the bottle design. It's gorgeous, isn't it? It's so, so pretty. Yeah, really gorgeous. All right then, what are you? Wonderland Peony, a light fruity floral fragrance for the delicate, dreamy, radiant and thoughtful. Yes, that's me. Okay. It is really nice. It's a little bit on the sweeter side, but I still like it. Yeah, and I think that's one my daughter likes as well. Wonderland Peony by Floral Street. Then we've got Dr.Jart, and this is Ceramidin Lip Balm. There's 7 mils there. This intensely moisturising lip balm is infused with ceramide NP. It melts in to soften skin faster than you can say moi. Got a brush. This is a Spectrum. Oh, this is a pretty one. I haven't had a brush in this colour range before. All about the cheeks. I love this brush. I used it to apply the Bareminerals Blonzer today. It's an AO5 brush. I'm definitely keeping it, even though I've got one already. I just love the colour, and I have got a bit of an obsession with brushes, unfortunately. I need scissors. Look at this. I love this colour. I love that it's slanted, but I also love that it's quite wide at the top there, so you can get a really good blend. It's really nice. I love this brush. It's my favourite blusher brush at the moment. Definitely, I keep going for it. Yeah, and I love this colour. Next, I've got First Aid Beauty. This is an after shower nourishing body oil for safer sensitive skins, and there's 177 mils there. And whoo, that came out really fast. Whoa. Oh my gosh, it smells of lemons. I love lemons. I love lemons. That's so nice. Nourishing body oil. Oh, that is so nice. Oh my gosh, yeah. And it's a nice oil, actually. I'm always nervous about oils. Oils for my face and oils for my body. I don't like oils that just sit on my skin and then I just feel all greasy and oily for like hours. No, this isn't. It's going into my hands really nicely and it's just leaving it nice and soft. No, I like that. This is the first time I've tried it. I've never received it. I don't think so anyway. Really like that. Happy with that. What else can I show you? We've got Estee Lauder, and this is Revitalizing Supreme Youth Power Cream for all skin types. Oh, there it is there. There. Firm, Lift and Nourish. And that's all it says basically. Oh, it feels really nice and thick. You're not going to see that. I blended it in too fast. It feels really nice. It's got a subtle smell. It might be just remnants of what I washed my hands with last. So, Revitalizing Supreme Moisturizer. We've got Laneige. This is a lip sleeping mask. This is in berry fruits to hydrate, nourish and soften. And there's 8 grams there. Love these little sleep masks. The full size one have little spatulas. So you can scoop it out easy without getting your nails in if you have your nails done like me, or if you've got long nails. It's a lot easier, but they smell amazing, they feel amazing. I've got a funny feeling I've had one of these in a Boots Korean skincare box. I'm sure it's this one, or is it a Laneige lip balm? They do amazing smelling lip sleeping masks. Yeah, they're so nice. Oh, we got a little Balm Dia Bright by Sol de Janeiro. This is a clarifying AHA BHA body wash. There's 9 mils here. Radiant clear looking skin starts in the shower. This daily retexturizing body wash is infused with gentle fruit AHAs and salicylic acid for a balanced glowing complexion all over your body. Massage it all over your body, leave for about 30 to 60 seconds and then rinse off. I can't remember the smell. This one is really nice. It just reminds me of summer fruits. Oh yeah, I love it. Strawberries. Yeah, no, I love that one. So this is Balm Dia Bright. I've got something for your hair. This is Philip Kingsley Bond Builder Split End Remedy. Repairs, strengthens and protects, and it's 50 mils here. Now I have received this before with good intentions to try it, but I never have. Never have. It's probably in my, I've got a hair drawer behind you with all my hair products in there. I don't know. If you've tried it before and you think it's absolutely amazing, then please let me know so then I'll remember to use it. Bond Building Split End Remedy helps to protect and strengthen existing bonds and repair broken ones while instantly sealing split ends for stronger, visibly healthy hair with results which last for up to 3 washes. It forms a shield on the hair. Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen SPF 30 Water Resistant Clear Gel Sunscreen. And there's 10 mils there. This is a really nice sunscreen. I really want to try the tinted one. Very expensive. I have got a code on Look Fantastic and my code can get, is it like 21% off? So I think they're £40, so I can get a really good chunk off, but it's still pricey. I would love it if we had a sample of a tinted one. That would be really, really good. I think it's SPF 50 as well, so a really, really good one. I'm thinking like summertime. Unseen sunscreen there. And then lastly, we've got Grown Alchemist, and this is a Hydra-Restore Day Cream. Contains aloe vera and vitamin E, and there's 12 mils. It says naturally advanced for mutations. I was going to say mutations. Mutations to support your skin. This is Biological Beauty, and that's all it says. So there's a little one, a little day cream there for you to try, see if it's any good. And there you go. Those are all the products inside the Boots Easter Beauty Egg. 14 products in total. It has a value of £233. I've had a look and I'd say about half a full size. That's just a guess. It could be more actually. And it costs £52. I think there's a lovely selection of products in there. But as always, I'd love to know what you think. Did you go out and buy it? Are you watching this thinking, shall I, shan't I? I'd love to hear. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.